Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp in your phone settings so you can switch off contact access quickly. Tap WhatsApp first, then go to the App Info or Settings panel. On Android, choose Permissions. On iPhone, choose Contacts. You do this now to prevent WhatsApp from reading new contacts. Once done, make sure you understand this stops new syncs but won't delete contacts already saved on your device. This immediate action gives you control over which contacts appear in WhatsApp. You now remove WhatsApp's permission to access contacts so it stops syncing. On Android, tap Permissions and deny contacts. On iPhone, toggle contacts off in the system settings. After you do that, force close and reopen WhatsApp so it refreshes its address list. This prevents cached contact additions. Make sure to test by adding a contact to your phone. It should not appear in WhatsApp. If you rely on manual invites, you can still add people inside chats without full sync. Finally, remove any contacts already visible in WhatsApp by editing or deleting them in your phone's Contacts app. WhatsApp reflects those changes once reopened. If you prefer not to delete, add a label or move them to an account WhatsApp can't access. Once everything looks right, clear WhatsApp cache, Android, or reinstall if needed to refresh the app. If contacts still reappear, make sure permission truly is off, clear cache, and restart the phone. This fixes most sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.